Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into CapitalOne bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into our CapitalOne bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capitalone.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of CapitalOne Bank. So let's wait for it, guys. And on this interface, guys, let's let it load. Either you can log into your CapitalOne account directly from over here, or you can click on the sign in button available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page like this, where you'll be able to enter your username and your password of your account on the CapitalOne bank, which you had created on CapitalOne at the time of registering your account. But if you've forgotten your username or password, guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your username or password. With that being said, guys, after entering your username and password, simply click on the sign in button available for us, and then you'll be logged into your CapitalOne bank account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your CapitalOne bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.